Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Feeling overwhelmed by repetitive tasks? Does your workday feel like a never-ending cycle of emails, data entry and social media scheduling? Well, what if I told you there is a way to free up your time and boost your productivity with the power of AI? That's right. We are talking about AI automation agency, the hottest trend in the business world. Buckle up because in this video we will break down exactly how to launch your own agency and become a pioneer in this exciting field. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence handles all your mundane tasks. Chatbots answering customer inquiries, AI writes personalized reports, and data analysis happens in seconds. This is not science fiction. It's reality thanks to AI automation. Companies like Netflix use AI to recommend shows to viewers with uncanny accuracy. Zappos utilizes chatbots to answer customer inquiries 24/7, boosting customer satisfaction. There are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing businesses. An AI agency helps business leverage this power by creating custom solutions that automate repetitive tasks. This could include anything from scheduling social media posts to generating personalized marketing emails, freeing up valuable human resources for strategic thinking and creative endeavor. Now you might be wondering, can I really start an AI automation agency? The answer is absolutely. Here is the roadmap to get you started. You have to develop your expertise in some tools for software AI automation. For example, you have to learn Stack AI for building chatbots in the backend and BotPress for deploying chatbots in the front end and integrated to other platforms. And there is make.com, an automation platform that integrates with all other platforms. These are the tools which you can use to build your own system. Now let's dive into the ideas for AI automation agency. Number one is personalized cold outreach systems. Many businesses struggle to convert leads into paying customers due to low response rates. Generic emails or outreach campaign offer yield poor results. With the AI solution, help business improve their emails conversation rates by implementing personalized marketing strategies and cold outreach system. Personalized email with reference the recipient name, work experience, and recent articles have been proven to increase response rates. However, it can take a lot of time spent on creating emails, but AI can automate this process by using no-code tools to scrap data from LinkedIn profiles and generate personalized messages. As a result, the business increased productivity. The second idea is staff training chatbot. Companies with high employee turnover providing businesses such as call centers face challenges in training new employees efficiently. Answering repetitive questions and providing guidance to routine tasks can be time consuming for managers. Here comes the AI solution. Develop a staff training chatbot that can answer common questions and provide guidance to new employees. By using customer support chatbots and AI implementation, business can automate the training process, handle customer inquiries, and reduce the workload on managers. The chatbots can be trained using existing training documents and FAQs, ensuring accurate and prompt responses to customer inquiries. Number three is customized plan generator. Industries that offer personalized plans such as nutrition and finance spend significant time and effort creating customized plan provide solution for individual clients. This also take a lot of time that could be done more efficiently. With the AI solution, by creating an AI-powered chatbot that can generate customized plan based on previous examples. By feeding the chatbot with a database of previous plans and providing key customer information, business can quickly generate personalized plans, saving time and effort. Number four is onboarding chat assistant. Client onboarding process can be complex and time consuming, affecting both client perception and business scalability. Providing support and answering questions throughout the onboarding journey can be overwhelming. So with the AI solution, develop an AI powered onboarding chat assistant that can guide clients through the onboarding process, creating chatbots, answering some common queries, and offer immediate support. By automating these tasks, business can streamline their onboarding process, reduce response time, increase productivity, improve client satisfaction and reduce workload. Number 5 is Airbnb guest support chat. Managing multiple Airbnb properties can be challenging, particularly when it comes to handling guest inquiries. Answering repetitive questions across different time zones can be time consuming and overwhelming for hosts. So what you can do is implement an Airbnb guest support chatbot to automate responses to common guest inquiries. By providing instant answer to frequently asked questions, host can offer 24/7 support without added effort. This improves guest satisfaction and reduces the host workload to save time. At the last, you have to craft your client acquisition strategy. Remember, the key to success lies in understanding your client's pain points and offering solutions that are customized and measurable. Don't underestimate the human touch. Successful AI implementation requires effective communication and client education. So, are you ready to join AI revolution and build your own future-proof business? Leave a comment down below with your biggest question about AI automation agencies and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content on the latest tech trends. Let's build the future together. See you in the next video. Bye bye.